Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix payment method verification required in App Store. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you are trying to use your App Store, but you're facing the issue that to continue you have to verify your payment method or any issue like that. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So it might help when your billing information got disabled or have any wrong info in that. So let's see how can you fix the issue. Now to fix that, you have a simple way. You just have to update your billing information and after you and also your payment method. So yeah, let's see how can you easily do that. You have to open your settings here, then go to your Apple ID here, then tap on payment and shipping, and you just have to remove your payment method from here. And once you have removed your payment method, you have to simply go back from here, then go for general, go for software update, and you have to make a software update. If you find any pending software update here, then go back again and go for VPN device management, and you have to disconnect your VPN if you are connected. Then go for language and region option, select region, and select the country or region in which you are living. After selecting that, go back and here go for date and time and enable the toggle to set the date and time automatically. Then go back and open your app store here. Tap on your profile option in the top right corner. Tap on your Apple ID here. And after that, you must have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. Then select country or region option. And from here, you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living, or which one you have just selected. And your iPhone, I have selected this one, so I'm going to reselect this. Then tap on this continue option here. Then tap on agree in the top right corner. And now you must have to add your payment method here. If you don't have any payment method, you have to select this none option here. Then add your billing address here. You have to make sure that you are entering correct informations. You have to enter your street. You can skip these optional options if you want to. Then enter your postcode here. If you don't know about your postcode, you can Google or you can use your Google to search that. And then enter town, country, after all, your phone number, then your name, and after knowing the dial, you just have to turn on this turn option in the top right corner. And after that, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the same issue again in your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.